it's as if we draw the light that's present there. Because I'm in that world, in that state, I just don't, I'm not aware of it. But if I make every effort to become conscious of it, to be awakened, my desire, my impulse to do it opens up my additional vessels. And then we begin to feel spirituality. What does that mean? We begin to feel how we are all interconnected as one body. And then through each and every one, infinite light follows endlessly and without any limitations. And all the problems that we feel today in the world is only so as to force humanity to begin to go back up.
My guess is that, well, not my guess, that is certainly not believed by the vast majority of the top scientists.
You know, I don't give a damn about top scientists or the scientific establishment at all. I don't care what they think. All I care about is saying what I have to say, and I will say it the way I have to say it, whatever way I wish to say it. I don't give a flying damn about what anybody thinks about what I have to say. I stopped caring about that a long time ago. What I care about is changing and transforming this planet that we're on. And I believe you have to introduce new thinking. And if it turns out it's scientifically total garbage, I don't give a bloody fuck. It makes no difference to me, because science has little credibility as the only way it's seen in the world. It's only one very narrow, very limited way. And the medical model, as you well know, is full of so much bullshit about what's right and what's wrong, and what's the right psychological model, and what's the right medical model, that we're so filled with stuff that people are looking for alternative ways of healing. And you know that. Clearly, you know your stuff. There's no question. And I would learn. I'd love to sit at your feet for a long time. It would be very useful. It would help me tremendously. And I have no question about that.
We were witnesses of a new reality being born, as a second breath. Science saw in Kabbalah a unique opportunity, a chance of a breakthrough. What was it that made such a change? Was it the hours of Rob's lectures, arguments, and doubts? Perhaps it was simply that the time has come.
Indeed, Kabbalah does have an awful lot to say.
I don't hear anything, I don't see anything, but I feel.
So what you know is really amazing, and I honor your teaching and your wisdom. So the whole phenomenon of Kabbalah kind of emerging out of its hiddenness and in a genuine form, as opposed to just fluff, I think is very fascinating, very valuable.
All possible ways to awaken the people and have them work on themselves. I think it's the way to go.
Because this is something that means a great deal to me, and because I have very positive impression of this meeting, I'm certainly happy to help in any way that I can.
I certainly can contribute ideas to the film, and I'd be happy to work with you on it. Sure. As long as there's life and breath and limb within me, I'm willing to travel.
There are these three-dimensional pictures like wallpapers. If you look at them and you defocus your eye, then you go into the picture and you find a three-dimensional picture.
Random. When you look at it at the beginning, it looks like just a jagged random pattern. And then after a while, you see a kind of flat 3D image.
So these things. So what the wisdom of Kabbalah actually does is it helps you get that picture. It doesn't do anything new, actually. It just focuses and aims your attributes and everything in you in such a way that you begin to see into matter.